Make a great choice today with the 2024 Q3. The new Audi Q3 challenges the perception of what a crossover is by embodying everything a crossover should be. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, fog lights, rear fog light, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, electronic stability control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.